Electric bikes don't have to be expensive to be worth riding, and in 2026, budget e-bikes are better than ever. Today's affordable electric bikes deliver solid range, smooth rides, and modern features without crossing the $1,000 mark. If you're searching for the best electric bikes under $1,000 that actually make sense to buy, you're in the right place. Stick around because these 5 picks prove great e-bikes don't need a big budget.
Number 1. Introducing the AMYET S8 Dual Motor Power, an electric bike that brings serious performance to the budget category in 2026. Designed for riders who want more punch without overspending, this e-bike delivers strong acceleration and confident handling while staying under the $1,000 mark. The dual motor setup provides balanced power that feels smooth and controlled, almost like a smart controller responding instantly to your input. Whether you're climbing hills, cruising city streets, or handling uneven paths, the AMYET S8 maintains steady traction and reliable performance. Built for everyday riding, it offers a comfortable frame, responsive braking, and a design that works well for commuting or weekend rides. The electric assist helps reduce fatigue while keeping the ride natural and enjoyable. For riders looking for extra power, versatility, and value in 2026, the AMYET S8 stands out as a budget-friendly e-bike that doesn't feel basic.
Number 2. Meet the Windone E2 Off-Road Capability, an electric bike built for riders who want adventure without spending a fortune. In 2026, this budget-friendly e-bike is designed to handle more than smooth pavement, making it a strong option for trails, dirt paths, and rougher terrain. The Windone E2 delivers steady electric assist that feels responsive and controlled, almost like a smart controller adjusting power as you ride. Its wide tires and sturdy frame help maintain stability on uneven ground, while the motor provides enough torque to handle hills and challenging surfaces with confidence. Comfort and practicality also play a big role here. The riding position feels balanced, braking is reliable, and the overall design supports both daily commuting and weekend off-road rides. It's an e-bike that adapts easily to different riding styles without feeling complicated. For riders looking for off-road versatility under $1,000, the Windone E2 proves that capable, fun electric bikes are more accessible than ever in 2026.
Number 3. The OTIDA RX80 Dual Motor Power, an electric bike designed for riders who want extra strength and control while staying within a budget in 2026. This e-bike brings strong acceleration and balanced performance, making it a solid option for both city riding and tougher routes. The dual motor setup delivers smooth, responsive power that feels almost like a smart controller, reacting instantly to your input. It helps the bike handle hills, uneven roads, and quick starts with confidence, without making the ride feel aggressive or hard to manage. Built with everyday use in mind, the RX80 offers a comfortable riding position, reliable braking, and a sturdy frame that supports longer rides. If you're looking for a budget-friendly electric bike with added power and versatility.
Number 4. Introducing the isinwheel M10 Plus Dual Crown Fork, an electric bike built for riders who want better stability and control on a budget in 2026. This model focuses on ride comfort and confidence, especially when dealing with rough roads or uneven surfaces. The dual crown fork improves front-end stability, helping the bike feel planted and responsive, almost like a smart controller smoothing out your ride. Paired with electric assist, it delivers a balanced experience that works well for daily commuting and casual weekend rides. With a comfortable riding position and a solid frame design, the M10 Plus is a great option for riders who value control and smooth handling without spending over $1,000.
Number 5. Meet the CYCROWN CycVerve Step-Through Frame, an electric bike designed for comfort, accessibility, and everyday ease in 2026. This model focuses on making electric riding simple and enjoyable for a wide range of riders. The step-through frame allows quick, effortless mounting and dismounting, making it ideal for city commuting and daily errands. Combined with smooth electric assist, it feels intuitive and controlled, almost like a smart controller guiding your ride without effort. With a relaxed riding position and practical design, the CycVerve is well suited for casual riders and commuters who want comfort without sacrificing performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly e-bike that's easy to ride and easy to live with, this one fits perfectly into modern life. Thanks for watching! Which one would you choose? Like, subscribe, and comment for more smart tech and future gadgets.